Folks, about a week ago, a little over a week ago, I got a new Martin 0018. There's one thing that sets this guitar apart from a standard series 0018. The top and sides and bracing and all that are standard series. The back, however, is Sinker mahogany, which is kind of cool. I always love the Sinker tone. Uh, so my friends on Tack East knew about this purchase and asked me to do a sound sample. So I finally got around to getting the guitar set up, and here we go. Little bobble there. Little finger picking. Okay, hopefully that gives you an idea, minus the baubles. Be interested in what people hear, what you guys think. I'll tell you that the guitar has a Sitka top, and compared to, say, Susan's Quad O with the Adirondack top, or a CEO 7, which also has an Adirondack top, this guitar is not as chimey and doesn't have as much forward projection. It's a little more muted tone and seems to be a little more, I actually think, bassy than a guitar with an Addy top. But anyway, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think.